Hi everyone, welcome back to iGd. Today we're going to talk about design styles. Many of you are confused with design styles. So what is the confusion actually? There's so many confusion. There's minimalist, modern, contemporary. But what does it mean actually? When you see a picture online, you want to know the specific design term or design name so-called. You would want to explain this to your designer or appointed consultant. But what is it called and how do you define styles? So today we're going to talk about how you define the individual styles.
Modern 来讲啊，很多人都会误会 modern 的意思。modern 它主要就是 function 是大过那个 form， 就是讲它先注重在 function 先。很多人就会觉得 modern 这个 style 是很冷的，没有感情的，不温暖的。
So just now talking about modern, now let's move on to contemporary. This too is widely used in general for all the clients I've seen. They've been talking about modern and contemporary. But the thing is, how do you define these two and how do you differentiate these two? The common point is that these two has the same straight line definition, but contemporary can have curves. That is one of the points. Contemporary is actually accumulation of all the designs that's available today and right now and making the best out of it. So from there, it's so-called contemporary. It can be a mixture of minimalist, modern, industrial. Contemporary now and 5 years from now is very different. So it's contemporary.
很多人分不到 modern 跟 contemporary 之间的分别。其实 contemporary 是在每一个时候的 modern 最 trendy 的东西，那个就是 contemporary。每一个时代，可能80年代、90年代，每一个时候的当时就是 contemporary。但是很多人可能会跟 modern 会觉得那个是叫 modern。contemporary 讲完就是最现代的，就是现代化的，就是现在的。
So next, talking about minimalist. Minimalist, for the generation now, you hear a lot of minimalists. This is very easy for you to move away from the concept and it becomes something else, or maybe nothing. You imagine needs of a person in a space. Example, for a living room, you will be talking about a sofa, table, and some books. That's how empty it is. Modern is also very clean and straight lines, but minimalist is usually we're talking about scale. Meaning of scale is that when you're in a room, difference between the modern and minimalist. When you're in a room, minimalist concept, you will realize the room is very big. That's what I mean about scale.
Minimalist 来讲，那个比例上是更加空的。 整个空间跟那种 furniture 的比例是更加的大的差距了。Minimalist 感觉上就是讲很空哦，也是很 clean， 也是最少的 accessory， 最 minimum 要求的要用到的东西的最 minimum， 在 furniture 上面或者是什么东西上面都是最少的，那个就是 minimalist。
So next, we're talking about industrial concepts. So the basic idea of industrial concepts is very easy. Imagine now you're standing in a warehouse. So what do you see in a warehouse? Basically, you get high ceiling, exposed ceiling, you see all the ductings and everything. And finally, all the exposed raw material, finished materials, cement, timber, that define industrial.
其实它这个东西是在一个时代的时候，很多人是用那种工厂或者是 warehouse 来改造可以住的地方，所以这种就形成了一种 industrial 的 style。通常是那种 exposed wiring、piping、ceiling 或 brickwork， 总之是 warehouse 里面原本有的东西，工厂里面有的东西，所以他们是用这个东西来改造，变成一种 industrial 的风格，也是有很多人喜欢这种风格。
Next, we are talking about traditional, or you can so-call classic style. So these styles is actually in the old houses, you have raw furnitures made by timber and all those. Because it's influenced by the year it is in, because during that time, a lot of free timber wood around, so they used it to make furniture. Because of that, you can see in a room it's very warm and they do consist of a lot of natural colors as well. Because of that, I think this defines classic style.
Classic 也是一个时代的时候，大量的用那种 solid 的木、solid 的 wood 来做那种 furniture 或者是 decoration。所以它主要是用那种clear 的 stand，so 你还可以看得到木的花纹，然后通常也是 curve line 跟一些雕刻的东西，那个就是比较在 classic 的那种 style 里面。